So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I made 10K in my first month of starting a brand new business. Now you're probably asking, how was I able to do that? And what is the business? And I'll go through all of that later on in the video. But I want to first talk about the benefits of this business, right? Now, the benefits of this business is it's pretty much, a 97% profit margin. You can set up this business to have no overheads. It requires no money to get started, and it allows you to work only a few hours a week. And me doing this in my first month, I was able to make $10,000. So what I'm going to do now is break down the business model so you can understand exactly how I did this, and how literally you can do this too. Honestly, anyone can do this. And it's extremely easy because the best thing about this business model is that it's extremely beginner friendly. So if you are watching this video, when I say that you can do this, trust me, you can do this. Now, what essentially is this business? Well, it's selling information. So essentially what it is, it's a coaching business, right? You sell services to high ticket clients. Now, let me give you some examples because it probably doesn't make too much sense to you right now. There is a woman making over $18,000 a month teaching people how to knit. I'm going to repeat that so you can understand exactly what I said. There is a woman making over $18,000 a month teaching people how to knit, which should blow your mind, right? This blew my mind when I first heard about it. Crazy, right? There is someone else teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He's making around $85,000 a month. So basically, you need to find a real life problem, a real life pain point, and solve it with your skill. And literally, if there is a person teaching people how to knit and she's making 18 grand a month, she's like 47, 48, right? If she can do that, if you're a 20-year-old, 21-year-old, 25-year-old, 30-year-old watching this video, you can do this too. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be knitting. It doesn't have to be, stop drinking alcohol. I'll give you another example. There's someone teaching people how to get a six-pack. He's making over 160K a month. You've got another person who's actually got a YouTube channel. She teaches women how to be a good stay-at-home wife, which is crazy, right? There are people seriously making money doing that. And literally, this business model has allowed me to reach 10K in my first month. And this just shows how good this business model is. Now, you're probably thinking that, okay, you've made 10K in your first month. That might just be a fluke. No worries. This is one of my clients, which you'll see on your screen right now. Now, he started this business model. He was a beginner. He was working in a 9-to-5 job, making 2 to 3K a month. Now, after a month of working with me, he managed to get his first 2 clients and he made 6 grand in one day. 6 grand in one single day. And he was able to do that because of the strategies I taught him. Now, I'm not going to reveal exactly what he's selling in the business as I haven't really got permission from him, but I just want to show you what else is possible, right? Now, you can do this business model and I'm going to briefly explain how it works so you can do this too. Now, first you need traffic. Now, traffic can be through social media or it can be through paid ads. You then need to get that traffic into a funnel. Now, a funnel can be, like a landing page with a VSL or just like an unlisted video, or it can be like a calendar page. Whatever it is, it needs to be something where you get that traffic to go onto that page so you can then book a call with them. Now, let's say they book a call with you, you've then got the sales call aspect to it. Now, in that sales call, you explain how your services can help them, and if they are a good fit, you can then convert them on that call. Now, once you've converted them on that call, you then need to provide the value. Now, that can be one-to-one coaching, that can be a course, that can be a course with one-to-one coaching. It can also be like a group call or a community, whatever it is, you then need to provide value. So that's it. It's a 4-step simple process on how you can make well over 10K a month in your first month of starting a brand new business. So guys, you're probably wondering what my coaching business is. Well, I teach people how to actually create this type of business. I teach people how to sell the information and I scale them to 10K a month. So if that's something that interests you, you can either DM me on Instagram or you can book a call with me by clicking the link in the description. We'll then jump on a call and I'll see if we're a good fit to work together. Again, guys, if I'm able to do this, anyone can do this. And if you want a full breakdown on how to do this business model, well, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.